my dear co-students. We are team 11. We are doing the project called Math Solver Agent. There are 5 in a team. Mohan Krishna and me as a Rishan, and Akil Kumar and Shashi Kumar and Kalyani. The rest of the document, what and how, so why we are using that agent model will be explained by Kalyani.
This project is about creating an AI-based language model. Agent we can solve different types of models, math problems, and also explaining step-by-step process. They can use the Python libraries to actual math operations. After solving the problems, all language model is used to change the step into simple way. Introduction and problem statement. Mathematics solves a critical role in models. Problem solving requires multiple fields. However, many students struggle to understand to approach the problem step by step, exactly calculate and tools. Other provides only final answers. Learning without reasoning process, the gap makes it different students to strengthen their conceptual understanding. The objective of this project is by a solver agent that can automatically solve a virtual in mathematical models and explain the solution problem to structure easy way. Why it is important? The project is also important because it can write a gap between simple digital calculators and advanced individual intelligent computing systems. Calculating are fast. They do not explain the reasoning. On the other hand, human needs explain, but many always be available. Our system provides both speed and explanation in one platform.
My team member explained the real time problem that students are struggling in our present world for solving problems by their own. So that is the real time problem that many students are struggling with math. So that's why we decided to do this project. That project will help to solve the problem easily, and this project will explain step by step the process. What is the model predicts, comparing to calculator gives only final answer, but this model is not like that. It gives more in-depth concept. So for that we have we have the problem model. So for that we have to follow some few more steps for the ML model. So we have to choose the data. So that we have to use the data from CAI data set. So from that data set, we have to first clean the data and state in our format structure. After that, we have to gather the data properly. After that, in that model, we have two models, that encoder and decoder. Encoder takes the data, what are the problems maybe, and decoder gives the answer. That will be in the training part. So that after collecting data, we have to clean the data by pre-processing. After that, we have to do the process called parameter tuning. In parameter tuning, we will train the data for our sufficient way, the box. After that, we have to give the data to testing. That is 80:20 rule. 80:20 rule is nothing but we have to train the data 80% and that gives the remaining 20% to the testing. There the model will be ready. After that, we have to make a user interface for the user. Later we have to deploy it from what are the requires and in our own deployment clouds. The technologies we use for this project is Python or R programming. After that, Simplify is nothing but in mathematics we used to calculate the problem with some symbols, plus or minus or sigma, lambda. For that, to indicate that symbols, we have to use inside the pandas. Pandas is nothing but pandas is used to give the data frames. For data frames, we use the pandas. Regex is nothing but to normalize the problem. After that, we have to have Pickle is nothing but is a format that we can download the data model and we can deploy it to our own projects. Thank you for. Okay, here is the blueprint. Here is the blueprint of the project, how and what we did. So for first project will be the user input. After user input process, then input process. It detects the symbol what the user gave. After that, step generator that generates the answer step by step. After that step by step process we go to the AI generator. The AI generator generates the answer and then final output. So it gives. This is the final conclusion about our project. In this project, this is the type of agent that gives the mathematics problem answer. But comparing to the calculator gives only the final answer, but this agent gives the total step 1 to step final, the process and the answer. In this, the difference between this traditional calculator and string calculator is the traditional calculator will give only the final output, but comparing to the intelligent agent, it gives students to make the fundamental concepts and the data. Intelligent AI gives that to the students that the fundamental concepts and mathematical concepts very deeply that students can learn easily. So this is the purpose that we are planning to design the model. So thank you for giving support.